Welcome, here I've got VERNEE M5 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo view. Now let's pick this button. From the left at the bottom, when we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. We are in the general settings, let's use this settings bar and tap at the center to the photo settings. Now let's slide a little bit, and here we have the preview size. When we tap here we can manage aspect ratio of this camera. We are in the standard 4:3, let's pick the full one. And as you can see, the background has changed to the full camera frame, full aspect ratio. We can tap of course again to the left here, to the preview size, and go back to 4:3. And now this is how it looks like again. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.